Hey everybody, it's Kim from the train. We've been thinking about y'all and we've been praying, and this is what we've come up with for now. We are going to be shifting our focus to a to-go model. We would be happy to deliver your food to your car in our parking lot. During the lunch hour, we'll have our own Eli Williams singing and hopefully providing a message of hope for you. We will also be offering delivery to your home or office. When you do call in your to-go order, we'll just get your address and your credit card information and all that good stuff. Please be patient with us as we kind of navigate through that. There will be no charge for that. Our hours will be 11 until 7, Tuesday through Saturday, and we'll go with that for now. But we love y'all, we're here for y'all, and we will see you soon.
Take control.